Please, please. Oh my gosh, that's heavy. Oh my gosh, that is heavy. If I drop it, because the way that I am sometimes. Ooh. G715. It is a keyboard. I put this on my phone wish list a few weeks ago. Thank you for the people that made a donation, in particular Orzu, Alectasaurus, and Anonymous. Thank you for the generous donations. I splurged a little bit. I retrieved the money from Throne and I bought, that was not the version that I put on Throne initially. This one is wireless, so it's like a Bluetooth one. So it'll help pay for like a good chunk of this one. I've been using like a wireless keyboard that Sloth has lended to me, and I was like, oh, I love a wireless keyboard. It's beautiful, it's so gorgeous, and it comes with the armrest as well, which is really cool. I'm gonna take good care of this keyboard, I promise. Keyboard, I will never let you down. Mila has jumped in the box already. I could not trust myself with a white keyboard. Fee, we about to find out. Okay, I can probably not trust myself either. Ooh, the box looks so pretty on the inside. Look at that. It has like the little, it has like clouds like in the packaging like that. Oh, it explains how to connect it to your like computer. Oh, it has like the little paper here so that you can pull it out like this. Nice. It is a keyboard. Like, damn. What else is in the box? Ooh. And then it comes with, I guess, the little wires I was talking about. I guess it's like a USB-C sort of situation. It's USB-C. There's a like sort of adapter here for USB-C. I don't know how that's gonna work, what that's gonna do. I'm gonna put it back in the little box though, for the time being. And then in here, I guess there's the wrist. And then it's hard to see, there's like all these like little papers explaining how things work or whatever. I love the packaging, it's very pretty. And they put like little aesthetic, like the clouds here. On this thing, there's like a little cloud shape and whatnot. Let's open the wrist rest first. It is very cushiony, like leather. I think this one is easy to keep clean because it's kind of like leather. So you can just wipe it off with like a cloth or like a sponge or whatever. The other one that I have, or the one that I have for like my mouse, is more like fabric material. So I feel like it absorbs things too easily. So I think this one is gonna be okay. Finally, le plat de résistance. Okay. She's thick. It looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. Do I'll take some like photos from like up close or whatever, so that maybe I can post it. Sorry, here. There's like the thing that you put in your computer, I think. It looks very pretty. It is a heavy keyboard. And I selected like the sound, the linear sound, I think. All right, I put the things here so that I can elevate the keyboard a little bit. Oh, I like this. So we remove the receiver. Oh, there's two ways of doing it, either with Bluetooth or you can connect it directly to the Bluetooth receiver of your computer. So we're gonna go behind. I'm gonna remove this. I remove this, the like receiver thing. I'm gonna plug it in my computer, and then I'm gonna turn it on. Otherwise, the like USB-C like port is here. I think this is the button. Oh, look at the color already. Oh, it's so pretty already. Oh, it's already so pretty. I love this. They say to press this button. I don't know what this button does. Oh, I have to enter a pin on my keyboard? It did work. I love this. It's so pretty. It's so satisfying. I want to have a desk that like is as pretty as all the girlies on like Twitter or whatever. You know what I mean? yeah, once again, thank you so much for the friends that contributed for me to be able to get this keyboard. I really appreciate it. So this version of the keyboard, it was almost $200 Canadian. Actually, I lied. I'm sorry, guys. Oops. The one I got is the G715, and that one is $279.99 Canadian dollars. And then the wired one is the G713, and that one is $229.99 Canadian dollars. Oops, sorry for the lies. Let's get back to the video. Ever since I've been using that other Bluetooth one, I was like, I like Bluetooth. It's easier to store away, to kind of like put away and things like that. Can I take a photo? I'll take photos later with the keyboard. How do you take a good photo of a keyboard? I don't know.